namaste, fill the heart. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a wonderful time, and I'm very, very excited to see you here, to see you beginning a very new journey of learning to speak Nepali. My name is Anil Mahato. I'm going to be one of your mentor. I'm going to be one of your pal, one of your friend, one of your partner in your journey of learning Nepali. Learning to speak Nepali, I would say, because this is what you want, right? And I believe I will be one of your good partner. I believe Langistan is going to be one of your good partner in your journey, in your adventure of learning Nepali. I'm really, really happy and really, really excited to see you here. Before we begin, I want to give you a little bit of background, how Langistan Nepali started. It started as a volunteering project in 2015. I used to be a student, part-time working person in India, and in 2015, mega earthquake that happened in 25th of April. It was a very sad moment, very, very sad moment in our history of Nepal. I think most of you are aware. So during that time, I went to Nepal, my hometown, to volunteer. And I started volunteering with a lot of my friends from school, from college time, and some of my very, very dear friends from all around the world, I would say. They all supported me, and I was constantly volunteering in different parts of Nepal back then. And during that time, when I was working with volunteers from all hands, volunteer from New Earth, UK, many organizations I was volunteering, and I myself was leading many projects. So during that time, when I was working with foreign volunteers, it was very difficult, and they were facing more problem actually. Of course, Nepal people were a little considerate there, like, okay, we understand, and it's fine, difficulties and all of that. I think it was all right, but more problem I saw from volunteering side, and also there were the effect in the things we were working. And that time, I already had a video skills. I already had, managing YouTube skills and blogging skill. I have a little bit of tech skill, I would say, and social media skill. So I thought, what I did for Hindi and what I did for physics, chemistry, math back in my college days, I can do same for Langistan Nepali, and let me help people who wants to learn Nepali, be assistant to them. So I wanted to be their assistants. That's where we started this video series with my very dear friend Abha Gurung, and a lot of you are missing her. A lot of you are loving her. Me also. So I'm very, very grateful. I wish she was here today with us in this earth. She's looking at me, and I'm sure she will be very proud of me to continue this. Abha, we love you. Yeah, and then the whole course is dedicated to her, and to all those lovely people who are planning to start or already have started learning Nepali. I want to be your friend. I would make Langistan Nepali your friend, one of your best resource center partner in your journey. That's how teaching Nepali started, and Ava and I always thought we will one day complete this, but because I used to work and she had a lot of things to do, we couldn't complete it. But now it's 2022, 7 years after, and I want to really make this possible. So I really want at least one platform in the world where people can come together and learn this language if they are really interested to. I mean, if there is no desire, we can't, but at least it should be accessible. Even after 7 years, I see in learning Nepali, even in 2022, when in technology and in content, we are so modern as a human civilization, but yet there is lack of organized materials, lack of multimedia, lack of library for learning Nepali. So first, our objective in Langistan Nepali would be to make all the resources, to develop the resources, to refurbish this resources, or to prepare in a way that the people of 2022 and our new upcoming generation, our nephew and nieces, and all of them should be able to consume with fun and engaging way. If it is not fun, they would not, that. Right? So first, that is our job. So collect the resources, to build the resources, and then presenting in a way that is engaging, and the third is like measuring the efficacy and optimizing how and improvising the method, so that by spending little time you can learn more. I definitely understand that everybody is busy in today's world, so my primary job is like, how can I make them understand and make them practice and make them more speak while spending very little time. That is my always North Star. Spend little time and speak a lot, or understand a lot. That has been always my North Star, and while having fun. That is important. You need to have fun because you're learning Nepali and you have a Nepali mentor, right? Otherwise, no. So this has been always our North Star, and with this vision, I've started Langistan, and I need your support. I need your constant feedback, and without your suggestion, this is not going to be successful, that I know. But if you help me, if you contribute in making learning to speak Nepali or learning Nepali culture more accessible, resourceful, optimized, strategic and clear, then I think we are going to make a small contribution to I would say human civilization, where we need diversity and all culture and languages preserved for our upcoming generation. This I have taken one of my mission of this life, and I need your support. And I know you will. You have been loving me. I have seen in YouTube, you guys love me a lot, and I also love you a lot. But 22 onward, we are in this game now. Okay? I will see you into the next videos, where I'm gonna answer some of the questions that I often see, and then we'll also walk you through how you should use Langistan so you are more effective. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Namaskar.